This is why you need to know about hiccups. They're not just annoying, they're fascinating. So, what's the deal with hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that's the muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts. This causes your vocal cords to snap shut, making that classic hic sound. But why does this happen? It could be anything from eating too quickly, to drinking carbonated beverages, to even feeling excited or stressed. Basically, anything that irritates your diaphragm can trigger hiccups. Ever tried holding your breath to stop hiccups? It's not just an old wives' tale. Holding your breath increases carbon dioxide levels in your blood, which can calm your diaphragm. Or, try swallowing a spoonful of sugar. The grainy texture can stimulate your vagus nerve, which might get your diaphragm back on track. So next time you're hiccuping away, you'll know the quirky science behind it. And remember, they're usually harmless and go away on their own. Stay curious, science enthusiasts. Until next time.